So I have ordered these PCBs from Next PCB. I think these are essentials if you have Arduino Nano, because Arduino Nano don't have external power supplies to connect with sensors, modules, OLED and buzzer, and there are a lot of messy things going on if you mount it on like breadboard. So I got 5 pieces green color, and I have soldered all the headers, OLED, the power section and power headers, which is just VCC and ground headers, so that we can mount 2-3 sensors easily. And here I2C port is also there for OLED connections. So let me connect the power, and here we can see all the things on LEDs are going on, because I have already programmed this Arduino Nano for OLED, that is Adafruit library. So all the links are in description. You can download the code below. These Gerber files are also there, and most important, from there you can also redirect to the next PCB assembly website, where you can place your order 5 pieces just free.